next thing that's really cool is trying to do rolls with this drum, and trying to get some different vibrational sounds really fast, but also in a smooth way. And this can be really nice when starting off a song or getting a couple notes together to weave in and blend really nicely. And so what I'm doing is, you can let them drop and kind of roll on their own. And what I'm doing is just letting it bounce on my right and then left. So you can do that kind of stroke, where it's a little more bouncy and light. Or you can press into it a little more, and basically you're just doing single strokes really fast, but you're not really letting them roll. You're just hitting them really fast and lightly together, and just bounce up kind of evenly, really even strokes. Pick two and roll together.